This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 85. When consistency stops feeling heavy. Why repetition changes after survival. For most people, consistency feels like effort. You push, you maintain, you hold yourself in place, and eventually you burn out. But this version of consistency belongs to survival. It relies on pressure, on self-monitoring, on constant correction. After the nervous system exits protection, consistency reorganizes. It no longer comes from control, it comes from tolerance. You repeat something because it doesn't cost you. There is no internal resistance, no need to recover afterwards, no sense of forcing yourself back on track. This is a biological shift. The nervous system begins to trust. I can continue without harm. Consistency becomes a side effect of safety, not discipline, not motivation, not identity, just repeatability. This is why regulated consistency often feels quiet. No hype, no urgency, no dramatic progress. But it holds. And because it holds, it compounds. If consistency feels lighter now, less heroic, less impressive, that's not loss. That's sustainability. What doesn't drain you doesn't need willpower. Next episode. Why progress accelerates only after pressure disappears. Thank you.